Have you ever considered using home remedies for bed bugs? In today's episode, we'll discover an affordable and natural solution to get rid of bed bugs. The one and only bay leaves. Let's get started. Do bay leaves work against bed bugs? Bay leaves contain several compounds that contribute to its aroma and potential repellent properties against bed bugs. They are Eucalyptol and Lyol. Eucalyptol, or 1,8-cineol, has a strong aroma that interferes with the insect's sensory receptors, making it difficult for them to locate their host. Lyol disrupts the nervous system of various insects, including bedbugs, deterring them from infesting treated areas. Additionally, bay leaves contain terpenes like alpha-terpenine and beta-pinene. Alpha-terpenine disrupts the insect cell's membrane, leading to dehydration and death, while beta-pinene offers similar repellent and insecticidal properties. Eugenol, another compound found in bay leaves, is commonly used to repel pests. How to use bay leaves for bed bugs. You can place ground bay leaves in areas where bed bugs are known to nest, such as cracks and crevices in walls, furniture joints, and behind baseboards. These locations are typical hiding spots for bed bugs during the day, as they prefer dark, secluded areas close to their food source. Additionally, scatter bay leaves in places where bed bugs are likely to travel, including along the edges of carpets, underneath mattresses, and of course, box springs and bed frames. For enhanced effectiveness, integrate bay leaves with other proven bed bug control strategies. First tip is that you should wash bedding, curtains, and clothing in hot water, and also dry them on high heat to get rid of bed bugs and their eggs. Encase your mattress and use bed bug interceptor cups to isolate your sleeping area and to prevent bed bugs from eating you at night. Finally, apply food-grade diatomaceous earth or silica gel dust into cracks and crevices near the bed, as it dehydrates and kills bed bugs when they come into contact. Check out the description for a link to our most affordable and effective bed bug traps on the market. These bed bug traps are affordable, chemical-free, and will effectively prevent bed bugs from biting you. See you soon, bed bug fam.